Hi guys, this is Ivan Bersabal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, mayroon naman tayong pag-uusapan na panibagong portable speaker. So this is originally from the brand Kimiso. So yung model niya is KMS 268 Pro. So itong speaker na to guys, very trending to pagdating sa TikTok. Ayan, makikita, dalas natin ito makita sa TikTok. Ayan. So doon ako nakuha ng idea na what if i-try natin to. So Kimiso KMS 268 Pro with IPX7 and this comes with 2 wireless microphone. So maliit lang siya guys, and then very compact yung design niya and very portable. So mas convenient siya dalhin sa mga rides, mga outing, ganun. So ngayon guys, i-unbox na natin siya. Let's go. Ngayon, magsa-soundcheck na tayo or unahin muna natin yung karaoke.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
One, two. Yung isang mic naman po, ito po yung isang try po natin. Buksan po natin. Ayan po, bukas na. Hello? Hello, mic. Ayan, natunog. Ganda ng tunog. Tapos, may ibang effect po siya. Hello?
Vibration. Ayan po. May ibang effect.
Original sound.
Ayan po. 1, 2. 1, 2 sound. Check 1, 2. Wala po siyang echo.
Karaoke sound.
Karaoke.
Young bird, so bad, your tears were dry, your song began to fly. You were safe, said your most good sense of the rain. All the place, but nothing's higher than it seems. No one ever saw but us to its place of a heart like a blue.
Merry Christmas!
Pasko na, sinta ko. Hanap kita. Bakit magtatampon? Nilisan ako. Kung mawawala ka sa piling masaya, galaw.
Next.
without had a chance to drown the paper cup. And now, hey now, the dream is over. And now, hey now, and the world goes.
At ngayon, pakinggan naman natin yung sounds quality niya in terms ng music. At mamaya din itry din natin siya, yung IPX niya.
Bali, connected na po siya guys. Try na po nating magpa-music.
Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll go down tonight. Coming just like the sunrise. Know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gate to
So yun guys, narinig nyo na yung karaoke testing natin and then audio testing natin. So ngayon, gusto ko din sabihin yung, baka may magtanong kung ilang wattage siya. Meron siyang 25. So that times 2 to kasi dalawa yung driver niya. So total of 50 watts. Ayan. So my playtime siya as claimed by the company is 6 to 10 hours. Pero magdidepende naman talaga to. Depende sa volume or depende sa type ng music na inyong patugtugin.
Wow.
Ayun, so meron siyang charging time na 4 hours. Ayan, and may transmission range na 2 to 20 meters. Ayan. So yung bigat niya guys is 1 kilo lang. Ayan. 1 kilo and 15 grams. And meron siyang battery capacity na 6,000 mAh.
Wow.
So ayun guys, bibigyan ko na kayo ng idea. Quality over price, pwede naman. Pasok naman siya, guys. And then, when in terms of performance, so, ibibigyan ko kayo ng parang comparison. Compare natin siya doon kay, sa paborito pa rin natin na si Musky. Ano ngayon? Musky, MS6K yun. So, compare doon sa kay Musky, mas okay pa rin yung sounds quality ni Musky, especially the karaoke. So, nakakalamang lang tong si Kimiso na to dahil may IPX rating siya. Ayan. Si KMS kasi wala. Ayan. And then ano pa ba? Ayan, sa price, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo. Konti lang naman yung difference. Minsan, pag nagsisale or may mga voucher kayo, bumababa si Kimiso, ito din bumababa din si Musky. Ayan. Pero yung price difference nila, hindi naman masyadong magkalayo. So, nasa inyo na lang kung anong priority nyo, kung focus kayo dun sa audio quality, ganyan, sa karaoke, or kung hindi naman kayo masyadong maselan, mas preferred nyo yung nadadala nyo na hindi basta-basta nagagastas-gasan at hindi siya nababasa ng ulan kasi IPX rated siya. So, mag-Kimiso ka. Pero kung ikaw ay more on like, mas focus ka sa sounds quality talaga, ganyan. Ayan, doon ka na kay MS6. Ayan, kay Musky. So, ayun lamang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pag-like and share ng ating video. And abangan nyo pa rin guys, marami pa rin tayong upload na videos. Ayan, sa susunod. Medyo delay lang yung pag-upload natin dahil medyo busy tayo. So, ayun naman guys. Maraming salamat. And bye-bye.